newly born Tibetan fox cubs have already begun poking their heads out of their dens, eagerly observing their surroundings with a mixture of curiosity and caution before exploring this unfamiliar world. Tibetan foxes are a charismatic highland species and highly intelligent within the canine family. They make full use of every opportunity that presents itself. With their alert yet playful demeanor, their cuteness as cubs is irresistible to human admirers. The small stature of adult foxes belies their formidable hunting abilities. As predators, they play a crucial ecological role in controlling rodent populations, maintaining the balance of the grassland ecosystem. A female Tibetan fox has dug her den on the vast grasslands of Qinghai Lake National Park. At this stage, raising 4 young, she is always on high alert. As her 4 cubs grow, they need to eat, and her care is indispensable. As they grow, the cubs frolic and play, which is crucial for establishing their strength and coordination as adult hunters. They must learn to move with stealth and react quickly. Even at their naive age, the little ones understand how to show respect to their parents, especially to the mother who leads the family. This behavior is a distinctive instinct among canids and most pronounced during their nursing period. Each cub displays enthusiasm and vigor, nuzzling and wagging its tail to show submission and closeness, as a way of seeking preferential treatment.